So hi everyone, my name is Mackie and I'm going to conduct experiments about our sleeping every day because sleeping is a really important process in our daily life. Like the quantity of your everyday sleeping actually determine like your next day performance. So I want to have a research about what different kind of factor will have impact on our sleepings. And I was using my Apple Watch to record my sleeping quantity because it can help to record my sleeping at first, and it will divide it into different stage like REM sleeping, deep sleeping, or core sleeping. And the research shows that a good sleeping need to reach or even more than like 20% of REM sleeping and deep sleeping. And I would divided my experiences into four parts and have a durations of 5 weeks. So in the first week, I will like record my baseline sleeping to become a control group, and I would have not any restrictions on it. And so I have already recorded the data on my phones, and you can see that you can find that I actually like sleep between 12 a.m. to half past 12 every day, and I will wake up at 8 a.m. to 8 half past 8 every day. So I will actually have promise guarantee 8 hours sleeping every day. But it actually is hard to make sure you have 8 hours sleeping. It's hard to have accurate data because you can see that I actually have only have 7 hours or more than 7 hours average because you cannot just immediately fall asleep when you go to the bed. So and then my experiments will becomes like so the for the second week I will like stop eating by 8 p.m. And for the third week I will have a stretch for 15 minutes before bed. And for the fourth week I will have stopped using my phones before 1 hours before I go to bed. And the last week I will control my room temperatures using the air conditions to maintain 18.3 degrees. So I'm now in the second week. So I will stop eating every day by 8 p.m. Because there's also a research shows that if you eat before you're sleeping, you really impacts your it makes you hard to fall asleep. And today I have my dinner like about 7 p.m. So I think it is actually fit the requirement. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow to check my data to see whether you fit the requirement.
Uh, 2,000 years later.
So hi everyone, welcome back, and here is the second day, and you can see that in the data that only I go to bed at 12 a.m. and I wake up at 9 a.m. So I actually have 9 hours of sleeping, and I have 8 hour and 40 minutes times the in bed, and but I only got 7 hour and 17 minutes for full sleep. And you can also see that my data is a little bit strange. I only have 10% of deep sleepings. Yeah, it's much less than my baseline data. But it may because some other specific reasons. So we still cannot say that stop eating before 8 p.m. do not have any effect on our sleeping. We still need to compare the following day's data.